Greetings, folks. Mike Skinner here with another song recording. This one's brand new for me. Well, I wrote it a few years ago, but I don't believe I've ever performed this in any setting, live or here recording. So we're both on this adventure together. The name of the song is A Cold Wind Blows. And the lyrics tell the story. I don't have to do any prepping for you, etc., etc. I will post the lyrics in the content section right below the video. And I guess that's all I have to say about it. So I do like this song. I hope to record it and put it on another CD down the road. And I'm trying to point my guitar away so I'm not drowning out my vocals. I think in the future I might have to start putting a microphone here and put it through a little sound system. I've put a sound hole in my guitar, but it still seems to be overpowering the vocals. Here we go. A Cold Wind Blows. So many feel so alone all across this land. Can you tell me why you can't lend a hand? I feel the cold wind blows all across this land. I feel the cold wind blows and you don't give a damn. I hear the peace of your lies, and I don't understand why your heart so cruel for your fellow man. You feel the Sunday pews to hide your lies, pastors of insolence, I see past your disguise. What would it take to look around, to stop and take in all of the sounds of hatred, fear and strife, the sounds of hunger, a homeless plight. How can you look away? How can you not give a damn? Pastors of insolence, where's the love for your fellow man? How can you not give a damn? How can you despise your fellow man? Why so much disdain to your fellow man? I feel the cold wind blows all across this land, and you don't give a damn. I don't understand. How can you just look away, ignore this strife? How can you turn away from those sad eyes? A cold wind blows across this land. What cold wind blew that froze your heart? A cold wind blows across this land, and it's so sad you don't give a damn. And it's so sad you don't give a damn. A cold wind blows across this land. You don't give a damn for your fellow man. Why so much disdain for your fellow man? And that is A Cold Wind Blows. Again, that's a new one for me. Thank you for listening. Always grateful. And please do consider subscribing to my channel. Check out some other videos. Visit my website. Send some communication. Again, the lyrics will be posted in the content section just below the video. Take care and all the best to you.